Vulnerabilities in a key U.S. battleground states could lead to post-elections disarray. Pennsylvania and Wisconsin's critical battleground states for upcoming November 5th presidential election have not implemented necessary electoral reform, potentially leading to the post-elections turmoil similar to what was witnessed following former President Donald Trump's 2020 defeat. Public opinion polls indicate a closely contested race between the Democratic Vice President Kamala Harris and the former President Donald Trump in this state. As pivotal components of the Blue Wall, Pennsylvania and Wisconsin are likely to be instrumental in determining the election outcome. The failure to adopt a 2022 federal law could invite security from Trump and his Republican supporters. Kamala Harris to reveal vice presidential pick ahead of crucial state tour. Vice President Kamala Harris is set to announce her vice presidential candidate selection by Tuesday, following a series of interviews with top contenders at her Washington residence over the weekends. According to sources familiar with the matter, this announcement is expected to precede her first joint public appearance with the chosen nominee in the Philadelphia on Tuesday, before embarking on nationwide tour of a key battleground state crucial for upcoming election. Harris concluded her selection process by interviewing three prominent candidates: Minnesota Governor Tim Walz, U.S. Senator Mark Kelly of Arizona, and Pennsylvania Governor Joe Shapiro at her Naval Observatory residence on Sunday, as per the sources. California fourth largest wildfire rages on amid scorching heat. Over 6,000 firefighters in California's Central Valley are battling the state's fourth largest wildfire on record, with little relief in sight as hot weather persists. Thunderstorms brought minimal rain on Saturday, with forecasters reporting only up to 1/10 of an inch of rainfall. Temperatures scored 200 degrees Fahrenheit and winds reached a speed of 25 mph or more in certain areas, providing minimal aid to the firefighters working to contain the park fire, which is a ravaging wilderness terrain approximately 100 miles north of Sacramento, the state capital. Elon Musk-backed PAC investigated for potential Michigan law violation. A political action committee supported by billionaires Elon Musk is under investigation in Michigan for possible breaches of state law, a spokesperson for the Michigan Secretary of State's office announced on Sunday. While Tesla CEO Musk has acknowledged creating a PAC to support certain candidates, he has not committed to backing any specific individual. The Musk-supported America PAC has been collecting detailed voter information from Michigan residents and otherwise registered to vote section on its website, as reported by CNBC. Jockey Benson's Michigan Secretary of State stated that although America PAC is a federal entity, their activities are being reviewed for potential state law violation. Pax Julia Pitt recovering after severe bike accident. Pax Julia Pitt, son of Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt, is recovering after a severe bike accident that resulted in complex injuries. The 20-year-old was discharged from ICU following the incident on July 29, where they collided with a car and sustained a serious head injury. It was reported that Pax was not wearing a helmet while riding on bike in a busy part of Los Angeles. Pax has been released from the ICU. He suffered complex trauma and now being a long journey of recovery and physical therapy. A source informed People magazine on July 5th. Throughout his hospital stay, Angelina Jolie remained by his side, with his sibling frequently visiting to offer their support during this challenging time.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.